Under income from house property, we will do two problems in today's session. So agenda for the day, it is very simple. Problems on HP means house property. We are not supposed to take the municipal tax paid by tenant. What is your answer? 66. On that, you are supposed to calculate 30% of annual value. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir, lecturer in Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the session 5 of your topic called your tax management. Under tax management, we are doing income from house property. Now, under income from house property, we will do two problems in today's session. So the problems we are going to discuss today, these are your past examination problems. Now, so agenda for the day, it is very simple. Problems on HP means house property. This is your problem number 1 like for this session and problem number 9 for the topic. In this year of construction, they have given it is 2010, 2014 and 2016 constructed. Then purpose of use, for what purpose these properties are used, like this is for let out to bank, this is for self-occupied and this for residential purpose. Let out for bank, let out means given for rent. Self-occupied means they are only occupied. And the three are residential units let out. See, let out, it can be for commercial, it can be for residential. Residential also it is taxable. Even for let out for bank or commercial purpose also it is taxable. Now, in this, actual rent received 15,000. Self-occupied means the rent will not come at all. Then, if it is residential, 1,000 per unit. How many units are there? Units means your buildings. Now, you have 3 buildings like 1,000 into 3. Number of months? 12. So, it will be 36,000. 1,000 into 12 into 3 units, 3 houses. It will be 36,000. That is the actual rent received. Then, your municipal valuation for the particular house, 16,000, 12,000 as well as 30,000. They have given municipal value. They have given actual rent. Then, your total municipal tax paid, like your municipal tax paid in this 1,600, 1,200 and 3,000. These are the total municipal tax paid. But out of this, paid by tenant and paid by your owner. So it will be 800 plus 800, 1,200 and 3,000. So these are the taxes or tax paid by municipal authority. Now, in this 800 and 800, as I told you, municipal tax paid by tenant, we should take or not? Answer is no. We are not supposed to take the municipal tax paid by tenant. We should take the municipal tax paid only by the owner. Paid by tenant, we should not consider. Hope you understood. Now, in this, these are done. Next, your fire insurance premium, like as I told you, anything other than municipal tax, other than your standard deduction, other than the interest paid, other than these 3 things, we are not supposed to consider anything. Remember, other than these 3, we are not supposed to consider anything. We will not consider your insurance paid, your repair charges, your whitewashing charges, nothing we should consider under house property for deduction. Now, once it is done, then interest on loan taken for renewal of house. See, how much it is? 7,000. Here it is 0 and here it is again 0. These are the informations we have. We will solve this and we will do for first, second as well as third. First one, particular as well as amount, particular as well as amount. In this, your first house let out to bank. Now, gross annual value is how much? I'll go back. Your actual received is 15. Your municipal value is 16. Now, in this, whichever is higher, you will go for 16. Because in this, they have not given standard rent. They will not given your fair value. They have given only two, your municipal value as well as your actual rent. Out of these two, you can compare. Whichever is higher, you should consider. Now, so 16,000 is higher. Now see, we are doing only first column. Remember, only first column we are doing. Now, 16,000. Now, municipal tax paid by landlord. So, it is paid by landlord, paid by tenant. Which one we should consider? Only paid by landlord we should consider. It is how much? 800. Now, 16,000 minus 800, your answer is 15,200. Now, minus 30% of standard deduction. Now, 15,200 minus 30%, how much you will get? You will get around 4,560. 15,200 minus 4,560, your answer will be 10,640. What is that? That is nothing but income from first house. Any doubt? No. Is there anything loan? No. So, fire insurance premium we should take. Answer is no. We are not supposed to take. Remember, these things we are not supposed to take. Clear? Yes. Now, your first house we got answer 10,640. Now, we'll go for second house. Like interest on loan, you have around 7,000. So, loss, yeah. We'll go for this second house. As per second house, self-occupied. If it is self-occupied, we will not calculate net annual value. Again, I'll repeat. If it is self-occupied, we will not repeat your annual value. We will not work out your annual value. Now, in this, so we consider how much? Self-occupied means we will consider your net annual value as 0 or nil. Your self-occupied is means this will be nil. Is there any deduction? If it is self-occupied, municipal tax we will not take. Standard deduction we will not take. We will consider only the rent or the interest paid. Now, how much interest paid? As per the question, 7,000 it is paid. Now, 7,000 we have taken. Your answer, your second house income is minus 7,000. Any doubt? No doubt. We'll go for the third one. Your third house, you have 1,000 into 12 into 3 means it will come around 36,000. Now, out of 36,000 are your actual rent. Your municipal valuation is how much? 30,000. Now, 36,000 or 30,000. Whichever is higher. Whichever is higher? 36,000. Now, we will consider 36,000 minus what? Minus municipal tax paid by landlord. I'll go back to your question. Municipal tax paid by landlord is 3,000. We should consider 3,000. Now, so minus 3,000, you got 33. From 33, if you calculate 30%, it will be how much? 9,900. 33,000 minus 9,900, you will get 23,100. Any doubt? No doubt. How much you will get? 23,100. Now, what is your final answer? 10,640 for first house and 7,000 for your second house. That is minus 7,000. And your third house plus 23. What is your final answer? 10,640 minus 7,000 plus 23,100. You will get 26,000 740. Hope you understood. This is what your 3 houses calculation. Now, this is your complete 10 marks question. I'll go back to your previous slide so that you can take screenshot. So this is your problem number 9. So this is a solution for your problem number 9. Now, we'll go for problem number 10, your next problem. Now, as per this, now, particular rupees and rupees we have in this. We have year of construction, purpose of use, similar, like year of construction 18, 19 as well as 2020. Now, let out to bank, self-occupied and 3 residential units. Now, as per this, 2000 per unit means it will be 2000 multiplied with 3 unit multiplied with 2. How much it is? 72,000. 2000 into 3 how much? 6,000. 6,000 into 12 how much? 72,000. 72,000 or your 60,000, whichever is higher. So whichever is higher we should consider. We will consider 72,000. Similarly, your first house we have 30,000 as well as your municipal value 32. Which one will consider? 30 or 32? We will go for 32,000. Clear? Yes, we should consider 32. Now, you have municipal tax of 3,200 and your municipal tax paid by tenant it is only 1,600 and your municipal tax paid by tenant it is 1,600. Which one we should consider? We should consider only the municipal tax paid by owner, not by the tenant. Now, I'll go back to this. We'll do first one, then we'll go for second one. Now, house 1, let out to bank, gross annual value 30,000 or 32,000. See, 30,000 actual, 32,000 it is a municipal value. Whichever is higher, 32,000 is a higher. Now, it is 32,000. Now, municipal tax paid by the landlord, how much? I'll go back. So, he has paid 1,600. So, it will be 1,600. Your answer will be 30,400. Any doubt up to this? Hopefully, there is no doubt. Now, once if it is done, you are supposed to do your 30% gross annual value. Now, take 30,400 multiplied with 30%. How much you will get? Almost 30% means it will be 9,000. 9,120. So how much it is? 9,120. So up to this, any doubt? No doubt. Now, so what is the income from house 1? 30,400 minus 9,120. It will be around 21,000. Like, yes, 21,280. This will be income from house 1. From this, you are supposed to deduct, then you will get final answer. We don't have any interest and whatever insurance they have said, fire insurance, we are not supposed to take. Now, so this is done. Next is what? Your second house. How much is your annual value for second house? Your second house annual value, should we consider or not? No. Should we consider the loan? Yes. Now, your annual value will be nil and your loan amount is 14,000 and your final answer minus 14,000. Why it is 14,000 means you have paid interest on loan. Your second house is done. We'll go for the third house. Now, in the third house, now, whichever is higher, 72 or your 60, 72,000 is a higher. Now, your answer, your third house, it is 72,000. Like 72,000 or 60,000. Whichever is higher. The higher value or greater is 72. Now, municipal tax paid by the landlord. How much? He has paid 6,000. How much paid by landlord? 6,000. Now, out of 72, if we minus 6,000, your answer is 66,000. What is your answer? 66. On that, you are supposed to calculate 30% of annual value. What is your annual value? 66. 66,000 multiplied with 30%. We'll see 19,800. What is your answer? Your answer is around 20,000. If you minus, it will be 46,200. Any doubt up to this? Up to this, there is no doubt. Now, what is your answer? 21,280 plus 46,200. It will be how much? It will be around 67,480. 67,480 minus 40. Your final answer is 53,480. Now, so this is all about your answer. Like this, we are supposed to calculate. So whatever problem we discussed today in the first problem, the same type of problem we worked out so that you should understand better. Now, I'll go back to your question as well as solution. You can take a screenshot. So this is your problem number 10. So the solution for problem number 10. So this is all about your today's session. We discussed two problems, as I told you, which are very important for your examination. As an examination concern, we took your past examination paper only. So please work out this kind of problem. It will be helpful for your exams. Thank you.